In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate daily writing prompts with AI. Whether you're stuck with writer's block or just need a creative boost, this simple method will have you coming up with fresh ideas every day. Let's dive straight into it. To start generating daily writing prompts, you need to use AI-based writing tools. There are plenty of options out there, but after testing the most popular ones, I'm going to share what works best for me and how you can use it for free in the description below. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your AI software. This software is designed to assist with everything from brainstorming to creating full-length articles, and it's incredibly intuitive. You're looking for a platform that allows you to quickly input a few keywords and generate prompts automatically. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the software, go ahead and enter a basic phrase, like creative writing prompt, and the software will provide suggestions tailored to that topic. You can also customize the prompts based on specific themes or genres. For example, you can ask for writing prompts related to fiction, non-fiction, or even poetry, and the AI will spit out a list that's ready for you to use right away. The key here is consistency. Once you set up the AI, you can use it every day to generate a new set of prompts without any effort on your part. Think about how much easier it will be to stay on track with your writing when you don't have to come up with ideas from scratch. Now let's talk about customization. If you're looking to get more specific with your prompts, you can adjust the settings in the software to generate more niche prompts based on your preferences. For instance, you could ask for writing prompts focused on science fiction themes, or prompts that involve certain character archetypes. The beauty of this approach is that it allows you to generate tailored prompts that align with your personal writing goals. This is a huge time saver, especially for writers who want to break free from a creative block or need a quick daily boost. The software we're using makes it so simple to generate these writing prompts in seconds. And the best part, I'm giving you an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel. Check out the description below to get started with the same tool I use and follow along. Let's quickly recap what we've covered so far. First, use AI software to generate writing prompts. Second, customize those prompts to fit your writing style or theme. Third, make it a daily habit to get a fresh batch of prompts every day. The AI software handles the hard part, and all you need to do is write. Remember, if you want to try out this software yourself, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. Key takeaway: the most effective way to generate daily writing prompts with AI is to use a reliable, customizable AI tool that helps you quickly get fresh, creative ideas. By making this a daily habit, you'll stay inspired and improve your writing productivity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.